Hi, Karina Gardner here, and today I'm going to show you how to put together these vellum lanterns. I have three sizes: short, medium, and tall. And what you'll notice is that I'm using a vellum paper for the inside, and that one of these papers is not completely attached. That's so you can put a tea light in it. So I'm excited because I'm hoping on my Instagram feed I can show you how they look while they're lit up, which will be fun. I'm also using fun paper. It's just not like regular vellum. I've got these like really great hexagon papers and polka dot papers. Isn't that fun? So have fun with it. It's really fun. And these are super easy to put together and cute, as you can see, either all in the same color or in different colors. You can see I have three different lanterns here. So there's the long, tall, medium, short. I can't quite remember what I named them, but these are specifically made so that you can put a tea light in them. So you can see each of them have an opening, and I really suggest a frosted vellum of some sort. You can see these have fun gold patterns in them, but you can find that at your local craft store. Okay, so just size-wise, you can take a look at these, medium and then small. And I'm just going to put together one of them with you today. And then I will show you how to deal with the tea light situation. So the first things that you need to know is that you have 4 lanterns, 4 accent pieces, and 4 vellum pieces. So I like to start with the accent pieces, so I'm just going to glue those on first, and you can use hot glue or stick glue, either will work for this. Okay, and the next thing is we're gonna add the vellum. Now, here's where it gets a little bit tricky. I want 3 of them to be glued down, and I want 1 of them to be taped down. Why? Because this is our entryway to putting in your tea light. So I have my vellum pieces here, and what I want to do is, you can see I flipped it over. You're gonna glue 3 of them down, and I'm just gonna do corners because the vellum is really delicate. You could use stick glue if you wanted, and that will also help. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue in the corners just so I can make sure and put it in the correct place. Okay, and a little glue in the corners here. And if you want to put a little bit at the bottom, you can, just to make sure everything is in. Look how nice that looks. Isn't that great? So 3 of them I'm going to glue like that, but then 1 of them, I'm going to show you what you need to do. I am going to only glue in the top. The other thing you can do if you want is, I have some tape out. You can just tape the top if you're nervous about it. But I feel pretty good that it's gonna stay down. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue up here to the top. And you can see now when I go to put in a tea light, I'll have a place to kind of just push it right in, okay? So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and glue the rest of these, and then I'll show you how to put it together. Okay, once that is done, you are going to go ahead and you're gonna fold down all of your tabs. And technically you could do this ahead of time. I just like getting all of those accessories on because it makes it a little bit easier. You notice that I haven't glued down all these edges. If you are nervous about it, you can go ahead and glue them down a little bit better than I have. Okay, so this one's gonna be folded forward as well as these 2 flaps. And then the tabs are gonna be folded down. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fold all of these exactly like this. Okay, once everything is folded, now we're just going to glue them together. So this is actually very, very easy. I'm just going to glue this right next to the next one. So you're gonna see that some of this vellum is gonna get caught in that tab. Okay, once you've glued it down this far, you're just going to come around and glue your final tab to this one side. Now, be careful about this because you have this open flap here and you don't want to glue it down. I mean, technically you can glue down one side and it'll be okay. Let's just see. And then you can push it in this way. It's just not going to be as easily accessible. So if you can glue down your piece inside that vellum piece, it's going to be much, much easier for you. So I'm going to try to do that. So glue. Okay, so once you've done it, you can see that that keeps this flap completely open. Glue on the bottom, so you should have one bottom piece. And what I'm going to do is just glue straight onto this. I'm going to do two sides first just to get it glued down. Okay, so you can see I've got this all glued all the way around, so now I'm just going to glue the top together, and you're going to do it on these flaps because that's what will hold it together up top. All right, that's it. So cute, right? And then you can see I have my door opening right here, so I can put in a tea light. I'm sure I'll show you on my Instagram feed how cute that is. I'm sure I'll light some up. And I'm going to be using this for one of the pool party things I'm going to be doing. So I can't wait to show you that. Make sure and subscribe to the channel if you want more of these videos. And if you're not part of my Silhouette VIP group, make sure and join that. That group is gets a free file every single Tuesday. You can join that at karinagardner.com, and I will see you soon.